Bum, bum. Right. Oh, it started. Okie dokie. So, this is something I made in Cursor the other day, and it's not AI driven, but it's made with AI. So I made it with Cursor, and it blew my mind how easy it was to make this. So you can say, change your text here, hello world, classic. And it's got some XY thingies. I'm on split screen at the moment, so it's a little bit difficult to show you the code and the thing at the same time. Let me just try to. God, it's so fun to play with. What have we done? Got the wrong way around. No. No. Yeah. And if I just make the screen a little bit bigger. Just make it one word. And it was really easy to make this in Cursor, but the code it generated is just shows how good AI is for developers to build basically new experiences. I've been thinking about it a lot. I like that, and it even built the shininess in. I didn't even ask for the shininess, but I really like that. And so we're just going to play with it a bit more. So I'll say this is great, but I would like to be able to zoom in and out with the mouse scroll. Anything you can do. Let's see what it does. Blah 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 blah. So apply all. It's added this bit. Another document listener. We will refactor that shortly. And there you go. I'm using the mouse wheel. That's pretty funky. It's a little bit jumpy. God, it's so fun with AI these days. Ridiculous. What does 2 do? Oh, you know what? It's going to be the. Let's get word wrap on. And just say make it smooth, make it this zoom thing smoother. Has my internet dropped out? No. Come on. Chop chop. Come on. So impatient for what it's doing. Just accept all commands, enter. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. A little bit of inertia there as well. Maybe. I don't know. Great. Thank you. I think it's always nice to be polite. Now I want to be able to. Is it pan? Pan the camera by click and dragging. But ideally, if the user clicks on the actual object, it doesn't it will rotate I don't know which way do I want it. You figure it out what's best. Oh, so stupid AI. The great thing is, like, this is something that I would never be bothered to do, and now I can do it. Like, if I really put the effort in, I could do this, but it would take so long. So long. Right. It's broken the zoom out, but it's done that. Hang on. Mouse wheel zoom has stopped working. I need to refactor some of this. Okay, fine. It's back. I wanted it to pan. See, it's changing the X and Y's. Why is the Z changing the Y? Oh, is it because I'm dragging? Okay, that's quite funny. But I like the way it's doing that. Like, that's pretty funky. Proper funky. I'm liking it. Okie dokie. That's shy. I didn't even ask for that shine in the first place. But I really like it. And I asked for the blue lines to have this sort of vertixy effect, and it just did this. If you see the blue lines there, crazy really, like turned it into a bit of a mesh, but it's not a mesh, it's just some sort of outline, and it's done. Right click button. Whoa, oh, it's added a right click. Ah. So when I asked it to do what it thought best in terms of panning, it did. It didn't tell me, or I didn't read it, but actually it's got a right click, and I hold the right click, it pans around. That's really, it's way smarter than me. Just use Tailwind. CDN it. Put it in a grid. 2 col. The XYZ can have their own rows. What would be awesome if I could put a background in front of these. Oh, that would be brilliant. Come on, hurry up. Right. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah. That is what I wanted. Ish. Well, that is, yeah, it's made it neater. It's not in, okay, almost there. I could have done it fast myself at this point. Which way around do I want this? Why has you got size, height? Grid codes 2. That's what it's done. So all of the properties go on a single row, please. You've got size and bevel, thickness. I can't even write anymore. On one row, on but these should have all one row each. Want to do this video for a while just to show people what it actually is. See if it bloody does it. Accept everything. Yes. Fine. Just make it a bit smaller. There you go. Okay, that's looking a lot better. Okay. And that's just moving the camera, isn't it? Okay. Whereas that's rotating it, and that's moving the camera. Okay, fine. Okay. Is it possible? Ooh, this is going to be difficult. This is when I need it in a React component. To have another set of letters in the scene, hence two objects, and when you click on either one of them, it keeps the it shows the necessary updated values in the panel, toolbar panel. What you could do is store the state of the object in a var, like, size 100, height second object here, actually then, make the best possible solution you can here to allow for the user to select different objects on the screen. In fact, I need another toolbar, maybe at the top of the screen, which lets them add new text. This is a difficult one for it to get. This is when you need to architect things a little bit better. It may well do it though. So what it's done is it's made a class for the text object. Yep, that's perfect. On mouse click, handle object. So if it's dragging, so it's using an intersect, so it's done this intersect to see whether it's intersected with any objects. Oh god. And then it's selected the object, update objects from that. What's it done there? Hang on. Props, object properties. Okay, so then it updates that, create text. Bloody hell, if it's done this, pack up my job. So good. Wait, come here. Right. So the dragging's not very rotation's not working. That's still working nicely. Change the outline colour. Ooh, look at that black. That looks nice. Rotation stops. That stopped. Has it added more text though? Ah, it probably has. Oh. Hang on. It has managed to do it. Oh god, it's done it ish, apart from rotation. I missed out on the rotate. That's brilliant, thank you. Can't even spell thank you. The rotations have stopped working. God, it's so ridiculous. Where's it going to be in 10 years? Yay, it's back. Yeah. Nice. Right. Hello, world. Oh, it has done it. Isn't that good? Oh, so cheeky. Oh god, look at that. Another one. Doggy. Okay, I need to be able to add properties for X, Y, Z positioning for each and figure out the best way to let the user reposition. This is such a good example because it just is ridiculous what it can do. Oh, hang on. Can I turn the camera around? Isn't that funny? Click on him. That's Doggy. I'd really like to spin the camera around. Click on him. Oh, he's died. Oh, he's gone back to that. Hang on. Oh, there's some bugginess going on there. Okay. Let's just see what it's done. Let's just what it's thinking. Oh, it's done quite a lot, I think. Pretty mad. Simon. It's kind of spinning around weirdly. Ah, it's the rotation thing. That is ridiculous. Moo. Well, that looks fun. Whoa. Anyway, absolutely bonkers. Have another floating panel, which is an image upload thingy. I would like to be able to choose from a local image and have it displayed full screen in the background to act as a background. Oh, I know actually. I would like to be able to pick an image from local and then it appears as another scene object which I can apply the same properties to. New image upload with preview, are you kidding? Are you kidding me? Right, okay. Let's see how good this actually is going to be. Okay, I've got a couple pre-made ones from a previous blog. This one. I'll try. Right, just going to see how good this is. I'm going to go here. This one I like. Oh, it's done the image preview. Read it. Hang on. Oh my god, it's done it. Yeah, put that in there. Right, selected image. Oh my god, it's done it. It's bloody well done it. Oh my god. I just can't click on it properly. It's so bonkers that. Oh my god, it's so bonkers. This one then. Websites are going to go 3D, aren't they? Oh, it's brilliant. I wish I could just play with this all day. Jesus Christ, it's broken again. Oh. Any chance you can have another panel which has a list of objects in, so they can be clicked on? I am shocked that it managed to do that image thing, but also not shocked. I was well impressed with that image one. Right, so it's got the scene objects here now. So we're going to add an image. I'm going to add this monkey, and it hasn't added that. But that's so cool. Isn't that cool? Isn't that so cool? And then we'll do another one. This one. It doesn't update. I'll add some more text. So I need the upload image panel. I can't believe it's done the preview. That's so good. I need the upload image panel not floating over the text panel. Perhaps they could be joined into one panel. And I need to be able to select the images in the scene object navigator, because that doesn't get updated when a new image is added. Also, would be good to be able to delete an object. Eek. Let's see what you've got. The best of the best. World class programming, please. Right, let's see what it's done. Right. Nice, cleaned that up. Wonder if I can delete it now. Oh, that's so good. Right, not that one. This monkey. Beautiful. Oh, it's so good. It's so ridiculous how good it is. Right, why haven't you updated the scenes? It's detecting that. Ooh, it's brought back the... Even if I've deleted the text. See, it's got confused. I know Figma and stuff can do this. To have it... I mean... And then it's... Yeah, interesting. Right. Ooh, look, purple. Why has it chosen purple? Oh, that's a cool effect. It's not really what I wanted. Oh, hang on. It's done scale and opacity for me. Isn't that wonderful? Let's enlarge this just so you can see it. Final product then. Ah, it isn't scaled it properly. I wonder if that's because it's still pretty funky. Still very funky. And then let's add another image. This one will do. Don't know where that is. Oh, he's just there. Funny. Alright, that's it. So that's just basically cursor and how you talk to cursor now, and it will generate the code. And as you can see, it generates fairly messy code, but that will get better over the years or months. Cool. All right. Well, thank you very much. See you on another one.